If you would like to see how I get my hair retied using the 2-point rotation, then please keep on watching this video. Hi lovely, Jennifer here from Her Crown. You're so welcome. If you would like to see how I do my 2-monthly retie, please stick to the end of this video, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Firstly, I apologize for being away without official leave. I am back and I'm ready to serve you all with quality hair videos. So yes, the first thing you need to know is that I found a new loctician. As you can see, this is a guy this time, and if you haven't watched the video about my experiences with locticians, please check that out. You need to know the gist. Anyways, this time it's a guy, as I said, and I love his work. The first reason I love his work is that he's very particular about the grid, which I love. And the reason why I love maintaining my grid is that it gives me flexibility to be able to part my hair, and it also helps to keep the retie clean and neat for a very long time. So it's kind of like my aesthetic. The first thing he does is to neatly clean up the parts. He ensures that stray hairs that have found their ways into other locks are removed, and then he uses the crochet pin to do the 2-point rotation. Now, what is the 2-point rotation? 2-point rotation is basically passing the crochet needle and interlocking your hair in 2 directions. So if you can envision a clock right now, he's either passing the crochet needle from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, or he's doing 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, or 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, or 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So it just all depends on the direction of the hair. So he's just passing it in 2 different positions until there's no longer any hair to interlock. And then when he's done with that, he moves on to the next section. It's very important that you note that he ensures that the last interlock that he passes falls in the direction that the hair naturally would fall. So if the hair is falling sideways, the last interlock will pass sideways and not to the other opposite side. This ensures that the hair in general lays flat and is very uniform. Can I just say that this is the first time that I'm letting someone use edge control on my hair, and it truly makes a difference, guys, and it didn't leave any cast. So if you are like me and you're really skeptical about edge controls for your hair and for your scalp, because maybe you have itchy scalp or you don't want it to end up being something that will leave a product build-up, then just make sure that the edge control that is being used is a quality one, and trust me, you would enjoy it. The next thing he does is to repair whatever hole he discovers, and he does this by continually passing the tip of the hair through the hole until that hole closes completely. So he uses the crochet needle to do that, and he continues to do that, as you can see in the clip right now, till he covers the hole and he ensures that the hair maintains its integrity. Guys, if you've watched to this extent and you like what you see so far, please like this video and subscribe. It would really help to create visibility for my channel and ensure that I keep bringing valuable content your way. At this point, let me allow you watch and observe so that you would get all the information you need. And guys, as you can see, I didn't speed this up much because I wanted that everyone that wants to learn it would be able to watch this video and, learn as much as they need. So I would only talk when it's necessary. We are all done. Yes, so once we were done with the interlock and it was looking really neat, he sprayed the hair with 2 different sprays. I didn't quite catch the name, but one was foamy, as you can see, and the other one was misty. Those sprays really helped to make my hair shine and stay soft for a very long time. And you guys know that I'm at a point where I'm not applying any product, so trust me, it was a good one. Now we've come to the end of this video. Please like this video if you haven't already. Share with someone that you would know for sure would need this video, and comment down below any other question that you have. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye guys.